Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we reset internet setting in our Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to reset your phone internet settings, so friend, how can you reset? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we reset internet setting guys. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, friends. You can see this type of setting. Friends, scroll it, friends. You can see your Technophone system setting, guys. Tap on system setting, guys. Friends, click on guys, the reset option, guys. Tap here, guys, reset setting, guys. Tap here to reset. Then guys, wait for only 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, guys, network setting has been reset in our Technophone. So friends, we can use guys our internet setting without any problem, guys. So like that, guys, we can reset our phone internet setting. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you've understood how to reset internet settings. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.